Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you all for coming for today's exclusive interview with Mr. Emre and Gia as well. Today kita akan buat very santai but exclusive interview, whichever you want to question on the event for the Sound Pharmacy Sound Nation on the 30th of November this year, and as well whatever information about pharmacy that you want to know about. So you can start having your questions to President and Gia as well. Okay, thank you.
Datuk, untuk apa?
Buat sikit lah.
Untuk konsert ni kan, kenapa pemilihan Bunga, Gia dan Ellie?
Kita sekarang ni basically memang kita ada dulu awal-awal ambil lokal, tapi sebab time untuk yang kita nak pilih tu tak dapat. So kita expand our scope to Indonesia. So we did shortlisted the best of the best, which is have to have produk dengan bukan produk lah, kita nak bagi mirip dengan kecantikan. So macam ikon wanita ada PCL, macam Gia dia sebab baru lagi, so dia tengah naik, dia tengah meletup sekarang ni. So kita nak jadi macam age gap tu cover semua. So macam dia banyak yang daripada 20, I think younger generation a bit to medium. So PCL pun younger, medium to elder people. So they have a lot of macam scope of orang kata viewers yang dia tengok, and followers dia are very small. So even Gia pun tak pernah datang Malaysia. We take the opportunity lah to promote lagi Gia. At the same time PCL as a key, and the same Eddie pun ada, Eddie Mazlim pun akan nyanyi lah, depends on berapa lagu dia nak nyanyi lah. So dia pun host for that night. So partly kita dah shortlisted, that's the best that we have. Tapi kita memang in the future kita akan buat kesinambungan kerjasama antara Indonesia dengan Malaysia. Juga nanti kita akan cuba juga Singapura dengan Thailand juga. Brunei memang tak I mean ada lah, tapi kita more yang mana lagi banyak followers, we go to that lah. So Indonesia and Malaysia, that's our aim lah.
Maknanya ini macam kick off untuk nanti collaborate dengan negara lain juga
Yeah,
lah.
betul.
Masih.
So it's a start for it. So kita akan expand, tapi kita nak jadi talent jugalah. Talent kita akan naik juga macam mana, and the followers but sekarang ni banyak new session kan, banyak through I would say media, social media. So kita tengok viewers, followers at the same time. So kita pernah iringkan dengan apa yang kita bawa produk farmasi juga kan. So they will introduce, but dia pun baru start dari Asia. This is the first time that they come to Asia, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, so we are to expand, when whatever we do, we try to do collaborate dengan orang juga. So that's what we do.
Okay, Mr. Emre, why do you choose Malaysia to kick off your Asian market?
It's a nice question. I had a distributor here for 13 years before. They were selling in retail. So they were buying products from us and selling here. So we have a very good relationship with my distributors. And then one day we said, okay, it's time for us as corporate to go and launch our business in Malaysia as direct selling model. And then we chose Malaysia because one, I feel home here. It's a Muslim country. The main language is English and Malay, and English, I speak English very well. And it's a huge market for cosmetics and nutrition supplements. So that's why we said, okay, Malaysia is a good place to start from.
So you're very familiar with Malaysia? Have you come here before?
I came a few times before. This is my 4th or 5th time. So I've been here a couple of times. I'm familiar. I went to some different parts of Malaysia. I'm familiar with it.
So what do you think of the market here?
Market is very big, and people of Malaysia love direct selling. They love the multi-level model. So I can see it's very common here. There are a lot of local and international brands. So I really see a lot of interest in pharmacy lately, and it's growing day by day. Like since we opened in March, we're growing every single month. And we have more and more people who really want to join and become a part of it. So that's why we're very happy about the market. We think people of Malaysia really like cosmetics, makeup, skincare. Especially skincare is very big here. People love skincare and nutrition supplements.
And what do you think of the approach here? I mean, like having a concert and with you become the main sponsor for this event.
So actually, there are two main reasons why we do it. First of all, our business, what we do, direct selling and network marketing, is a very people's business. You know, you sell your products through your interaction with other people, through your friendship, through your communication with them. So that's why we really love to have these kind of social events in pharmacy. And we thought that having a concert is a great way to let Malaysians know about pharmacy brand. So that's why we partnered with Intex team and have a brand. So the goal with this brand is to make pharmacy brand more well known throughout Malaysia.
Is this your first time doing concert?
Yes.
Oh,
Well,
okay.
it is
In
my
Malaysia.
first time
In
doing
Malaysia.
it
In Malaysia.
in Malaysia.
Oh, okay.
I've done countless concerts all around the world. United States, Mexico, Turkey, Brazil, everywhere I did concerts with top tier performers. But first concert in Malaysia. But I really think this is the first of the many to come. If this goes well, I really want to have multiple next year.
Dia, gimana rasanya pertama kali kan ke Malaysia?
Yeah. I'm so excited for this event karena akhirnya aku bisa perform di Malaysia, terus juga aku bisa share the same stage sama Kak BCL, terus juga akhirnya mungkin kalau orang-orang Malaysia selama ini udah pernah dengar karya aku, akhirnya mereka bisa ketemu gitu sama penyanyinya gitu. So yeah, I'm very excited and terima kasih loh gitu udah diajakin sama Farmasi sama Dato juga untuk acara ini.
Apa yang kamu pikirkan waktu kali pertama diberitahu ini dia ada orang mau kamu bikin konser di Malaysia?
Kalau kata orang Indonesia gas ya, aku langsung kayak ayo let's go gitu, karena aku memang belum pernah juga, maksudnya belum berkesempatan perform di Malaysia gitu kan. Beberapa kali sempat ada tawaran, tapi mungkin memang jodohnya akhirnya sama Farmasi di South Station ini, jadi ya aku akan berusaha menyampaikan terbaik.
Kira-kira nanti berapa lagu yang bakal di?
Kalau 1 jam biasanya kan normally 10-11 lagu, but let's see nanti gimana kita akan develop si konsepnya.
Kalau lewat itu social media, kalau fansnya gimana?
Mereka excited banget sih, teman-teman di Malaysia banyak sekali yang dari dulu udah DM aku, reach out aku through social media like kamu bakal ke Malaysia, kapan akan perform di Malaysia, dan akhirnya kesampaian, jadi aku senang sih.
What do they expect from you?
A concert.
Apa yang mereka inginkan dari kamu?
Like kayaknya mereka pengen lihat aku perform secara langsung sih, membawakan karya-karya aku gitu loh. Karena seperti yang kita tahu, mungkin di sini orang-orang banyak yang udah denger lagu aku tapi belum tahu aku penyanyinya gitu loh. Jadi akhirnya bisa ketemu langsung, aku senang sih pasti.
Ya mungkin mereka tidak menduga kamu kecil.
Iya. Bahkan orang-orang Indonesia pun banyak yang kaget kalau meet me in person, they were like, "Oh, you're so small." Like, "You're so petite." Like, "Yeah, this is me." Hello.
Suaranya gede.
24 atau sekarang?
26. Ya.
Oh, oke. Masih kayak apa? SMA lagi.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Jiwanya harus tetap muda
iya.
ya.
Ya harus wajib.
Yeah.
Yeah, next question for Mina.
Dr. Amrin, my question is related to Ina's question. Regarding pharmacy, I've known pharmacy since eons ago. I've even used their products before. Just want to know, are you going to, from direct selling, are you going to go into retail back?
We are not.
You're not.
No,
at
we
all.
used to be a retail company
Yes.
back in the years, and then we are completely getting outside of retail and switching into direct selling. And now Malaysia is our 39th direct selling country around the world. So we're focusing everything in direct selling, and something great about pharmacy in terms of direct selling, if you are a leader in Malaysia, you can do business in America, you can do business in Mexico, in Europe, anywhere. So anywhere pharmacy is present, you can build your team, you can sell your products, you can make an income. So we're a direct selling company from heart to bottom. So that's our future.
I noticed there's another pharmacy in Sephora, which is US based.
Yes.
Any
I know they're
comment on that? Yeah.
they are no we are just friends
Okay.
with them. They are a retail company. They are specialized in skincare. We are a cosmetics and nutrition supplement direct selling company. So we're completely different. They are in Sephora, they are only retail, we're only direct selling.
With regards to the concert, are you going to do another version in another country, in Asia countries, after Malaysia?
Well, that's the goal. So since Malaysia is the first country here, I really want to grow my sales here and then move into Indonesia. So that's my next goal.
What about pharmacy? What about pharmacy? Are you going to expand all over Asia?
Absolutely all over Asia. Like 5 years ago, I started in the United States, and now I'm in almost every single country in Americas, from Latin America to North America. That's the same gonna happen in Asia. So this is just the start in Malaysia. You'll see every country.
You'll see the growth.
Exactly.
Sebagai orang baru, saya tak sure sangat sebab mungkin ada orang di Malaysia yang tak berapa kenal dengan dia. So nanti bila konsert, ada anything istimewa yang dia akan tunjukkan dalam nyanyian ke tarian ke anything?
Ya pasti first berkenalan dulu ya akhirnya sama teman-teman di Malaysia, dan nanti mungkin ya masih akan sama sih sebenarnya sama performance aku. Biasanya aku kan membawakan setlist lagu-lagu aku, karena biasanya di setiap panggung aku I like to storytelling. Aku senang banget menceritakan kisah di balik lagu aku tersebut, dan aku juga senang sekali kalau aku akhirnya bisa berbagi pengalaman aku melalui lagu-lagu itu dan lebih banyak ngobrol lagi sama audiens aku gitu. Sharing pengalaman juga, mungkin dari audiens ada yang sama pengalamannya sama seperti di lagu aku.
Berapa lama? Your segment berapa lama?
Ya, like 1 hour.
1 hour. So untuk semua, untuk BCL, untuk
2 hours.
Oh, that means setiap
Performance at the same time. Ellie akan jadi macam host, at the same time dia akan introduce macam first part lah, macam ni. Then only come to that in between ada lagi interview. So that's the plan.
Semua on BCL dia.
Azlina?
Okay, hi sir. If your concert success, what is your next planning in Malaysia?
If my concert successes, what is my next
Planning.
planning?
For Malaysia.
Well, if it successes, I want to do more of these concerts. So probably this will be the last one for this year. It's already 30th of November. But the goal next year, if we can, agree with the Intex group, multiple next year.
The partner.
So far, we really liked working with them, and we like the idea of this concert, and our artists are amazing. So I really like it. So next year, multiple of these events.
Datuk, any chance of getting international artist ke apa?
International artist, InsyaAllah kita akan collaborate, tapi kita kena main kalau kat Malaysia kita akan utamakan local artist dulu, but we have to see dia punya respon juga, because banyak sangat show berlaku sampai hujung tahun, so we cannot just intervene masuk concert because they just do their, some of the good artists already done their show, so we cannot do this year as well. We need to postpone next year. That's why in collaborate for them to, we need to run, we need to go, so we cannot wait for until next year. That's why we have to choose whichever already best selection. That's why we come, because there's so many show this year, international show, local show, so too many. So as time goes by, you see people on Malaysia, sometimes they have already gone to concert, they don't want to go local, so we have to accommodate what are the expectation for the selling of tickets as well. So partly kita kan involve definitely other artists, because our concert and event technically is Mankida. So Mankida memang ada collaborate dengan Indonesia as well. So banyak dengan group rock band. Kita tengah ada partner. InsyaAllah hujung tahun kalau jadi kita akan buat satu lagi. So depends on Mamasi atau dengan kita akan buat macam mana. Tapi in a partner there's quite number of artists that we gonna go up. So based knowing Mankida, local artist pun dia ada collaborate dengan Mankida and Friends. InsyaAllah kita boleh buat juga macam tu. So banyak opportunity kita ada. In Malaysia, kalau katakan dekat Malaysia itself, we gonna go about 4 to 5 venues. Kita boleh pergi. So kalau international present, kita akan collaborate sekali. Sebab motif of kita industri creative music ni, we try to push up new talent as well as existing. So we don't leave the old dia macam senior artists, we also bring the local artists to jive together. So that's what we want to more
So
talent.
various genres.
Pardon me?
Various genres.
Depend macam sekarang ni, because with pharmacy we go with kecantikan, all this kind of stuff. If because they are not only having women's product, they also have men's product. So if we bring men's, so you be a rock star. So we're gonna have that men's punya introduction of pharmacy. So that's how we want to go in pipeline for future. So hopefully the collaboration is good lah. Sebab dia pun kita pun we welcome and encourage Mr. Emre to come Malaysia because we are the first to for him to choose as a business partner to expand some more. So in Asia kita akan expand, we will collaborate with the team. So we try to accommodate whichever, because of course there's always some arrangement or hiccups here and there, but we try to accommodate as long the target and mission is achieved. So macam Gia as a newcomer, dah well known kat Malaysia, that's why we shortlisted few actually artists Indonesia dengan Malaysia. So kita ambil dua tu pun because that's the best option yang kita combinekan. So sometimes it's from our mesco jugalah, decide macam the thing, how the marketing, so dia been in the industry for so long. So from what is advised as well as the team, we will take decision in this kind of show. So insyaAllah we really need support macam mana for them, kan kita sekali boleh expand more. We have the good neighboring countries to collaborate with. Even Japan pun ada kalau kita nak buat later on. Sebab Abaman dengan Japan pun memang ada connection. So it just matter of how we want to click and how we want to mold the event or concept. So concept kita boleh ubah apa saja. But the main objective is the create talent, both jivekan talent tu dari sini dengan lokal. Tapi konsep genre tu kena lebih kurang tak lari sangat lah. Sometimes kalau pop masuk rock tak kena kan. So we have to mold lah genre. That's why Abang Fida tak perform that night because takkan rock masuk dengan genre pop kan. So tak boleh. So kita ada next punya level. So next punya level sebab kita dah berhubungan dengan Indonesia punya top band artist from Indonesia as well. Tapi itulah kita nak susun lah mana satu, kalau kita tak boleh semua macam pergi kan, sebab dia pun ada konsert dia sendiri yang akan datang personal, not only us as the event organizer but other people juga dah bring in. So we have to find the time, we have to find the what you call it, suitable time for us to come in because there's so many international, even next year pun dah ada berdiri dah. So we have to find adjust yang mana yang terbaik to make it happen lah. So that's it.
We'll anticipate.
Macam mana?
We'll be anticipating.
InsyaAllah, insyaAllah. Kita dapat lah. So I think, yeah.
Zoina, ada question?
Maknanya yang pemilihan ni kita boleh cakap macam women empowerment. Politik lah.
Correct. Really, sebab kita konsep kan. So the concept with the product as well. So we have to judge with the concept. Kalau kita tak judge, macam mana kita ada jadi masuk yang lain. So macam BCL, memang ada wanita orang kenal daripada dulu, how she bring herself up, how she macam dia personality memang macam ni, memang very strong dengan social, but we have to follow as well dia punya followers as well macam mana. So we tak nak main cekup macam tu kan. So we have to find yang proper punya apa ni lah, distributing choices. Yeah.
Untuk Gia, apa surprise yang nanti semasa konsert?
Okay. Sepertinya apapun yang nanti aku tampilkan akan jadi surprise ya, karena kan ini pertama kali ya untuk teman-teman Malaysia. Iya. Tapi pasti nanti akan aku siapkan. Terus juga semoga gak cuma aku, nanti juga bisa lah sama Kak BCL gitu. Mungkin kalau misalnya kita memungkinkan kolaborasi ada tuh, nanti kita akan obrolin gitu. Cuma pasti aku akan bernyanyi sih, maksudnya menyanyikan lagu-laguku dengan sepenuh hati, dan semoga pesan-pesan dari lagu aku itu nyampe, karena lagu aku kebanyakan it's not just about a love story or broken heart, but my songs mostly it's about mental health issues. So aku kepengen banget untuk menyampaikan pesan itu supaya teman-teman di Malaysia lebih bisa menyayangi diri sendiri gitu. Salah satunya mungkin dengan coba produk-produk dari farmasi, apalagi yang perempuan-perempuan ya, supaya lebih cantik gitu kan. Salah satu cara untuk menyayangi diri sendiri gitu.
Question?
Maybe I can add up a bit from what she said. We can give a surprise as well to whoever wanita yang datang. Tapi tak boleh cakap lah kalau tak surprise. But the product, I felt the free gift is already a surprise. It's a good product from pharmacy. It's equivalent to what the tickets
what they paid.
Yeah, they pay. So it's equivalent with that. So you really have orang kata tak ada lose langsung for this show. And partly that's why in my speech yesterday I said we're giving back to all our customer, our fan kat Malaysia. So actually pay what you get. It's just easier, and you just go there and entertain and enjoy yourself with the show, everything. So even we have a lucky draw. Beza. So so that's mostly the surprise. Of course, surprise lah. Already is the recommended untuk apa ni lah, our viewers and our spectators. I think.
Any special price ticket for the members?
Yeah, I think you have members. You have a special ticket, right?
We don't have we are making a challenge for them. We saved 100 tickets for my members. So if they win those challenges, there will be different challenges about selling, recruiting, best social media usage, a lot of nice areas. So we will give free tickets to who wins those challenges.
The members from us.
But as Dato said, the goal of this event is first provide a nice service to people of Malaysia, and then make Malaysians know more about pharmacy. That's why we're not making any money on this. We're even giving them the equal amount of product as the ticket price. So that is our whole idea here. So they're gaining in products and they're coming to a beautiful concert event.
Surprise tak boleh tahu lah. We cannot tell the surprise now. It's not a surprise. For the ladies, especially for the ladies.
Boleh surprise lagi Beza. Kita orang satu.
Kalau kerja tu tiket lagi surprise naik nanti kan. So we have to accommodate them. I think price pun dapat semalam kan? Some lagi draw dan
Yes.
surprise to you guys.
Free Android phone.
Yeah, so tak semua. So sorry, maybe inshallah, because we're gonna have some other promos in futures before the show starts. So maybe kalau ada rezeki ke apa, we see how the sale of ticket very good, then we might give a good surprise. So really depends on our friends from press to really promote and expandkan the news to the public. So if we achieve our target, inshallah, maybe it's a 1 tahun, maybe kita buat the second day promotion, right? Kalau sebab it's a 5,000 tickets. So guys, imagine with Dia and PCR your friend pun, how many of it? So if already full is all how? So might right? Maybe kita tak tahu. Kita buat the next day ke apa? Who knows, right? Another show. So maybe a surprise. So that's why I really need to benilah arwarkan. Sebab jadi first time. Semalam I tengok tiket pun dah start jual lah. So just imagine lah how the response is lah. Alhamdulillah lah. Kak Lina pom-pom lagi yang cerita lah. Masa kat show apa yesterday punya PC, she's already like bomb yesterday. So dia punya fan pun a lot. So we want her to see a very good event and happy event, insyaAllah.
Gaya sedia untuk second show mungkin?
Oh, sangat sedia. Very excited, and aku menunggu banget kerjasama lain bersama Dato'.
Do you think dari kehadiran kali ini mungkin akan memberi inspirasi untuk mungkin kamu menulis lagu?
Insya Allah, semoga ya. Mungkin pengalaman yang nanti akan saya dapatkan di sini, siapa tahu bisa menjadi inspirasi buat lagu baru lagi.
Ya, mungkin kalau kolaborasi macam dengan Makida nak buat lagu,
boleh.
Macam Naim Daniel kan, dia buat lagu macam tu kan, sumpah. So maybe we can collaborate with kind of stuff. Sebab dah bertanya dah semalam over the dinner. So they might have a collaboration. Makida will try to make a song. So he's making a new song. Yeah.
Collaboration.
Ya, sedang melawat Malaysia.
Quick word.
Sedang melawat Malaysia.
Have you been
Berjalan-jalan.
Berwisata.
Last night actually Dato' took me and my
Berlibur.
team, tapi pusing-pusing kat Malaysia saja.
Saya kenalkan dia makan durian.
Oh, sedap. I like it.
Lain rasanya.
Di Indonesia ada, cuman di beberapa daerah aja yang rasanya tuh bener-bener enak gitu. Nah, semalam kebetulan enak banget. I like it.
Oh, tak boleh tidur dia.
Makan durian sama nasi lemak.
Okey kawan-kawan, sebab masa
Yalah.
pun nak lah Syed. Tapi sebelum tu dia mereka minta dia buat shelter untuk shout untuk konsert ni dan mereka buat dah.
Okay.
And also Dr. Andrew.
Yeah, one by one first.
Okay.
Which one?
Yeah, first.
Which one first?
Mana kamera mana?
Semua sekali.
Semua sekali. Okay.
Bahasa tapi.
Ya, dah sampai.
Halo, saya Gia Indrawari. Jangan lupa untuk datang ke Sensation Concert nanti tanggal 30 November 2024 di Megastar Arena Kuala Lumpur. Sana akan ada performance dari saya, Kak Bunga Citra Lestari dan juga Kak Aili dari Masjid Kalina pom-pom. Jadi ditunggu aja nanti performance-nya. Semoga teman-teman semuanya berkesempatan hadir. Jangan lupa beli tiketnya, and I'll see you guys there.
Beli di Lasso.
Belinya di lasotiket.com.
Second from
Promote on the show as well.
Promote on the show?
Yeah.
Yeah, promote.
Shout out.
Shout out for it. So they're gonna blast to the social media as well.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Alright.
Hey guys, we're your favorite direct selling company, Pharmacy, and hosting and sponsoring this amazing Pharmacy Soundsation event. 30th of November, we have the best performers, and I want to see you all there. So the tickets are on ilaso.com.
Thank you. Next.
Thank you.
Saya boleh juga?
Benar lah.
Aduh.
Mestilah Datuk.
Jadi bukan. Cuba kau masa TV.
Dia kalau ada
Janganlah.
kaedah ni memang dia lain sikit.
Aduh, jangan. Okay. Assalamualaikum guys, everybody. Hopefully you guys can come and enjoy our show, Pharmacy Soundsation, to 30th of November 2024. So we're gonna see you guys there and have fun. A lot of surprise will be given that day. So hope you guys and see you guys there, and we're gonna enjoy ourselves together. Okay, go. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
So, terima
Thank
kasih
you.
banyak-banyak.
Jangan lupa cari Lasso tiket.
Thank you so
Apa
much.
nanti kita letak kat caption.
Ya, terbaik lah you guys, terbaik.
Dah biasa buat kerja.
Sorry. Boleh bang.